Here's a story about a product our team worked on recently. Years ago, we developed an oil debris analysis system for an aerospace client. Recently, they wanted to partner with us again, this time to improve the product and get it ready to bring to market. Since they had already been using the web app for a while, they had collected a wish list of improvements. Does this sound familiar? Often companies will compile a list of reported bugs and feature requests from users and stakeholders, and then start working through the list, focused on just getting it done. But these lists are generated over time and don't give clear direction or clarity on the why. In our experience, adding features from a punch list without knowing why they're being added has resulted in costly rework down the line. We brought a product-centric mindset to this project, partnering with our client to shift from shipping features to solving problems. So here's what we did. We carefully selected our project team to include expertise in product design and customer experience. In collaboration with our client, we reviewed their wish list and prioritized it to ensure we were adding the features that would make the most impact. We gained a better understanding of their intentions and goals for software updates and how they would measure success when the new app launched. Together, we prioritized which features were the most important, which would give their users the most value, and which we could get in the hands of stakeholders for feedback. As we worked, we regularly showed them designs, got feedback, and engaged them in the process. This meant we could iterate along the way. Collaborating this way left less room for surprises. Our work together helped shape the product. Using a product mindset approach created flexibility, and our client shifted the once rigid list of to-dos to important conversations that needed to happen. Getting feedback on product designs early on uncovered opportunities they hadn't considered. This allowed us to learn more earlier. It reduced the amount of wasted work from our team. Understanding their needs and goals before starting development work meant we could focus on the most impactful features. And we did. We made the product easier to use and less error-prone. With an improved user interface and screen flow, we combined several disconnected features into a simple, cohesive workflow. This reduced the end user's time on task. Revamping the configuration system made sales easier. Our client could tailor the product to each customer's needs without code changes. We made reports more readable with redesigned charts and data tables. We even provided a video demo for our client to use to build internal excitement. If this sounds like something you're experiencing at your company, we'd love to help. Let's start a conversation to bring your product to life.